Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to restore missing power plans options Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to restore missing power plans options Windows 11 with commands. To start, in the search box enter CMD. Click Run as administrator, click Yes to open the console. After that, to restore the high-performance plan configuration, execute the command on the screen. Press Enter. Then if you need to restore the balanced plan, run the on-screen command. Press Enter. Chapter 2. How to restore missing power plans options Windows 11 with file. To get started, in the search box enter CMD, click on Run as administrator, click on Yes to open the console. Now right-click on the power plan configuration file that you can download from various sites and select Copy as Path. After that, in the console, enter the command on the screen using the file path and the power plan identifier that you used in the first option that we showed you. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.